Hello everyone, we are from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology Bhayandar East. Our college is affiliated to the MSBTE Mumbai, which is Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education, recognized by DTE Government of Maharashtra, which is Director of Technical Education, and approved by AICTE, which is All India Council of Technical Education, New Delhi. In this slide, we give a detailed introduction of Civil Engineering Department. Role of civil engineer. As you know, the civil engineering is a backbone of every engineering branches. We create, improve and protect the environment in which we live. They plan, they design and oversee the construction and maintenance of a building, structure and infrastructure such as roads, railway, airports, bridges, harbors, dams, irrigation projects, power plants and water and sewage systems. After completion of 10th, you can get admission 3 years diploma course. In that, every year there are 2 semesters you have to give. These are the some common subjects which you have to give in during the year. In second year, the main core subjects of civil engineering is started. Advanced surveying, highway engineering, building construction, hydraulics engineering, geotechnical engineering. These are the some subjects. In final year, there are some many more subjects: water resource engineering, management, contracts and accounts, etc. Our college is well equipped all the labs: concrete lab, soil lab, highway engineering lab, advanced surveying lab, hydraulics lab, mechanics of structure lab. Our student performing the survey practicals during the college hour, traffic engineering practical, geotechnical engineering practical. Our college also have a spacious drawing hall. Our college every year organize different activities such as technical quiz, paper presentation, project exhibition, expert lectures and internships for students. These are the some photographs of technical quiz paper presentation in our college. These are our students have own a project exhibition competitions. Every year, each same we organize expert lectures for the students. We invite the experts from the industry which give their valuable knowledge to the students. These are the photos of internship student which are doing during the vacation system. Students achievements: first prize in Garda Institute of Technology national level paper presentation, won second prize Universal College national level paper presentation, first prize in Garda Institute of Technology national level modeling. Our college also have a placement department, training and placement department. In civil department, Shubham Guge and Dheeraj Silva, these two students are placed in L&T company in campus interview 2019. Scope of engineering: opportunity exists both the India and abroad in the public and private sector in large numbers. Construction industry is a booming and will stay so for next few decades. Scope of civil engineers lies high where infrastructure development is picking up and Indian engineers in a great demand. These are the some opportunities in government as well as public sector. For example, in government sector, PWD, BMC, CPWD, such as Public Work Department, Bruhan Mumbai Corporations, CPWD means Central Public Work Department, and private sector, J Kumar, L&T, Shapoorji Pallonji and other companies are there. In this organization, you work as a civil engineer in different roles: structural engineer, geotechnical engineer, environmental engineer, contractor, private or government, PWD in BMC, surveyors, design engineer, water resource engineer in irrigation department in any state, construction management, transportation engineer, and also urban and regional planner means as a town planner. You work civil engineer work in these organizations. If you require more information, contact this number and email ID. Thank you.